Welcome to BI Knowledge Point. Today I am here to explain you about Tableau Dashboard. Let's begin. So in Tableau, creating the Tableau Dashboard, first we require to create a report and save. At present I had created 3 reports: state by profit, category by sale, category by profit. Okay, so now I am going to create new dashboard. So creating the new dashboard, we have two options. First option is that go to dashboard and click on new tab. Another option is here in footer side itself. You can see new dashboard option. So just click on new dashboard. Now in the left side you can see whatever report I had created. You can see here left side. Now at present just I shown you, like I had created 3 report, state by profit, category by sale and category by profit. But when we are going to create dashboard, we have to put relevant report on one page. So at present I am going to create dashboard through category by sale and category by profit. So see, this is my dashboard page. Now if you can adjust the page like this way. Then a part of that, if you want to add any text, you can just drop and drag and write here. This is my dashboard. See, now if you want image, for example your company logo or any another symbol, we just drop and drag here, and then that logo in your system, then choose file from there. Otherwise if you want to add any URL, just drop and drag from here. Okay, so this is one page. Another page I am just going to show you with other report. So this time I am going to take report sales by state by profit. So I had taken here state by profit. So now in this way, this slice, I am going to add URL so that I can understand about the particular state also in detail. So for example, if I would like to know about California, so for that I will add some link here. So for adding link, I have to bring web page here and then go to Google and write down whatever you require. At present I require depth knowledge about the California. So through Wikipedia I am going to copy this link, and adding here. Okay, so that one is added. Now I am just going to, yeah, so now see, I can view about detail about that California. But in this limitation is there, what I can view only California data. This is only one state data. I can't go and view the all other state data. So for that, what we have to do, we have to make interactive dashboard. So for that, what we require, come to dashboard, then go to action side, add action, go to URL, same URL, just paste here, and then remove from here California, because at present I had given California, but now I want whole. So dynamically pick up, then go for select button and then state, then OK. So now what I am going to I would like to know about the Washington DC. So I will just go and click here. Now see, now that changes URL and I am able to view Washington DC related all the data. Similar kind, if you want to see another state, similar kind, you can go and see the data. A part of that, if you want another things, that also you can navigate that one place to another place. So export that report, and then if you want to see in the presentation mode, just go and click this one. Now see, this came like a presentation mode. So these are things we can do for making the dashboard. That's all for today video. Catch you in the next video. Please like and subscribe my video.